Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 3.2% in the last session after rising as much as 4% during the session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Saudi Arabia is an energy superpower, given it has 17% of the world's proven petroleum reserves. The OPEC member exports over 9 million barrels per day. It is followed by Russia, Iraq, Canada and UAE. While Russia has found alternative markets for its crude oil, mostly in India, switching sales of refined products and, perhaps even more so, natural gas will take years and come at huge cost. That's if it's even possible to create markets as the world turns away from fossil fuels. The dollar clung to modest gains against the euro on last week after data showed falling US consumer spending and cooling inflation, and as investors awaited a slew of central bank meetings next week.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.